my mom and my dad. Then thank you for
Naiyak naman dalawa.
everyone. Thank you for the doctor office too. Thank you for everybody. Thank you for Papa too. Thank you for Ninong.
How about for the surprise?
Thank you for the surprise.
What else?
Also, thank you for my parents.
Ooh.
Thank you for my new toys too. Also, thank you for the new restaurants in the doctor office.
Oh, Yure.
Sige na, go na.
Yay! Here's your surprise!
Banana!
Ah, banana! Wow! Banana from Bulacan!
No, it's not Bulacan.